Okay, so for this meal, Backwoods cooking, going back to basics. This is going to be a very simple beef, tomato sauce, pasta dish. So as always, got to start off with some onions and some garlic. And instead of using some olive oil tonight, we are going with old school ghee, some clarified butter instead of olive oil. You can just smell that ghee right now. It's so awesome. Onions and garlic's doing well, so it's time to add some ground beef into this baby. Spread around a bit, get it cooking. All right, so we got the meat going, the onions, the garlic, everything's coming together nicely there. Salt and pepper. Again, this is a basic one. Who doesn't enjoy a little pasta, meat sauce when you're out camping? So, in goes the sauce. Just a nice light little mix here. I'm gonna let this go on a low simmer here while I get the pasta ready. So I'll just let that be for a bit. Very nice, smells awesome. Okay, now for the pasta. We got the lake water at a nice rolling boil here, so this is ready to go. It's time for rigatoni number 31. Trifalata al boronzo. Rigatoni 31s. Excellent choice for this meal. Now, we just let those babies boil up. Okay, we're going to combine some of this pasta right into the sauce so that we can get a nice sauce pasta ratio. Yeah, that's the perfect ratio right there. Oh my goodness gracious, we are almost ready to go. Alright, so I got this baby bowled up. Time to get that extra little sharpness of fresh Parmigiano on top. A little bit of black pepper just to take it up a notch. And that's dinner tonight. Let's get into the tasting. So good, so simple. Meat sauce, pasta, rigatoni number 31, fresh Parmigiano, black pepper. Heartwarming, soul nourishing, great for morale. It's been a cold, kind of windy, rainy day today. Pasta like this is perfect. Sometimes you can't go wrong with the basics, right? Like anything in life. Martial arts, music, cooking, dog training. Sometimes it's good and important to go back to the basics and just solidify that stuff up. And that's the same thing with a nice pasta dish like this. Back to basics, but so hard to beat.